two things. Number one, I'm not getting paid by them to do it. I just want you to know that this is genuinely something I discovered during the week, and I wanted to share with you. And secondly, just because I'm doing it on my glass top and in my on my equipment doesn't mean that you necessarily should. Please do due diligence and take responsibility for what you do. All right. So this is like a disclaimer from me. I'm doing it because I found it worked. And by the way, I've done a bit of research, and I think as far as I can see, I'm not doing anything that it says I can't. So that is, but on the other hand, please, make sure you are accountable for your own stuff. Let's do this and just show you what I decided to do. Not proud of it, was to show you the inside of my toaster oven. Now, you probably want to get a better view of that. Just hold on one second. Can I put a bit of light in there? Can you see the back and the side there? Yeah, it's in time. And I thought to myself, I wonder, and by the way, the glass here is grungy. And I thought, I wonder if that would work. So let me show you. I've obviously disconnected it. Oh, first thing I'm going to do is the top. And I think I'm going to do those. And then I'm going to spray inside. Anybody concerned yet? Now, it's not easy to get right inside there because you need an angle. And then I'm going to do here. The glass is pretty nasty. Oh, I think I should do the side here. How many of you are going, yeah, that's Sal, she's having fun. Okay. So first of all, obviously, disconnect. That's the main thing. Now what I'm going to do is just sort of go, okay, this is the inside of the handle. Not too bad. And then I'm just going to, now I need to tell you, I have a particularly old toaster oven. This is probably, I would think at least, well, not I say particularly old, I would think it probably 20 years old. And it's one of those very deep ones. It was one of the first ones I think that they did. Okay, so that's from the inside of the window. Obviously, I'm going to have to do the outside of it as well. And okay. Yuck. That's that. Yeah. So look at this. Now, I'm not sort of doing a massive job here because I just want to show you, and I don't want to spend the whole broadcast cleaning my toaster oven. And obviously, it will need a few more goes of it. But this is what I got from the inside without even trying. All right, no scrubbing, just listed it off. Now let's see about the outside. Look at this. Amazing. So, I don't know how many of you would even think to use scrubbing bubbles on a toaster oven, but I want to tell you That's the way I'm going to be cleaning mine in future. I just want to do the outside here. I'm certain that's going to need it. And I have put a protective area here for my worktop. Now, quite honestly, it probably would even clean the worktop, but that's a risk I don't want to take right now. So obviously this glass needs a little bit more work. There we go. Was it worth it? And how much hard work was it? What do you think? All right, I just want to read the comments before I say anything else. I'm going to put this away.